Holy school bully vibes. The fuck you say to me? Give me your lunch money. Hell no. That's when I go bad boy mode. Right now, hey, that's bad boy mode. I'm not bad boy mode right now. No type of swag.
Be grateful and yes, Jason.
Since we're all sharing stories about like times we've been affected by something mentally, I'd like to share a story.
Okay.
This was me in high school. I'd say sophomore year. You know, I was a little shy kid. I was the only child, so I didn't really have much friends, but I have one friend, okay, my best friend. And a homecoming was actually coming up, and I was like, you know, I was talking to this one girl for like a little bit, and I had a crush on her. And I didn't have the courage to tell her, yo, do you want to go to homecoming? But my best friend encouraged me. He was like, yo, do it, bro. You got one life. You know, there's only one homecoming. Do it. So I made this poster for her, and I asked her out during a cafeteria. You know, it was cute. There's a picture probably somewhere on the internet.
Okay.
It said, you'll drive me un poco loco if you say yes to Hoko, because she was Latina.
Creative.
So I asked her out, and guess what? She said yes at the cafeteria. I was so happy. You know what I mean? But afterwards, she told me, come to the bathroom, I need to tell you something. Yeah. She ended up telling me, no, I can't go with you because I'm going with that.
Yeah.
Where I got the yogurt?
Yeah.
Yo, J-Shock. Good, bro.
What's up, bro?
Should've made that shot.
Love, bro.
Hey, dude,
Thank you, bro.
Of course, man. Are you watching a clip of yourself right now?
Nah, just popping up. Sissy Rose followed me.
Who?
Sissy Rose.
Who's Sissy Rose?
She's a special human being.
Who?
Look, hold on.
Let me see.
Yeah, she's special.
Yo.
She was with me.
Yo, bro. Are you out your mind,
Bro,
dog?
she followed me.
Who the is Sissy Rose, dude?
Bro.
Are you, you're overly gooned out.
I'm in there.
Oh my God,
Like
you're
swimwear.
DMing
No.
her?
We'll be like,
Dad,
hey,
keep it in your
PM me
pants.
on IG. You're awesome.
Holy
Nah, wait, what do I say?
Be like, hey, wait, let me see. You gotta.
Cause she has like, her accounts keep getting banned.
I wonder why, bro.
Oh, but this is her.
Hit her with a compliment.
See me on IG. You're beautiful?
Yeah.
You're beautiful with love to...
Yeah. Whatever.
You're effing with me. Are you serious?
Yes, bro. But Dave, yo, just take her out on a dinner date and then... Bro, just send a message.
What does that mean? Are you playing?
I swear to
it's a
God.
big opportunity for
I
me.
swear to God, bro.
I love
and
this
also
female.
follow back.
If it's her.
What do you mean if it's her? Is that a bot account? Wait.
That's what I'm saying. Like, she has...
Dog, this is a bot account, bro.
Wait, it might not be. Oh, whoa.
Oh, yeah. We've been there. I've been there. I was there last night, actually. I got arrested. I don't know if you saw.
I saw it back there, and there was all pots and pans back there.
I don't know if you know. I got arrested. Yo, J-Shock, I'm hosting another fight night. Bro.
I got free.
Huh?
They freed me.
Oh, yeah, you were jammed out, bro.
Come on.
Actually, thank you. So, Kai put me into his office yesterday. The basketball game says the biggest thing on campus.
They swear.
He got like a crazy surprise apparently.
Dog, if LeBron James pull up and dap you on God, the world might explode.
Imagine that IG flick, just that one. That's it.
No,
That's that one.
bro.
Just that one, bro.
Oh my God, bro.
Yep.
There's no way LeBron James pulling up.
Like, would he really come all the way out to
Arkansas?
wherever we're at? Yeah, Arkansas?
No shot.
No shot, right?
No shot. That's
Yeah, lethal shooter. I showed him my old basketball mixtape. You know, because I used to hoop.
Now,
So
are
he was
you
like, "Yo, I
sure?
hoop." You know how much I averaged in high school?
How much?
Yes.
8?
8.
Bench?
I averaged 35 in high school.
no, the you didn't.
Yes,
bro.
I did. I have proof. You want to see proof? I'll show you proof.
You would average 35.
Yes, I did.
Bro.
I averaged 30. You want to see the mixtape?
Show me right now.
What,
I'll show you
what,
mixtape.
wait, what state you from?
Huh?
What state
I'm
you
from Canada. I'm from Canada.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes
Wait,
sense.
no. You're not
Yes.
understanding. 35 points is 35 points at the end of the day. You get me? But look, I'll show you though.
You would have been D like 2 at least.
No. Bro, I don't give a about basketball. I don't play basketball, bro. I haven't touched the ball in like 3 years.
At all?
I don't touch basketball. Literally. Watch this. Ready? Wait. 31 points per game right there. We don't need that.
Yeah, that's actually you.
That's me. And
shit look
go ahead
edited.
and watch the mixtape. Go ahead and watch the mixtape. Let's see. That's 35 points a game, bro. That's 35 points a game. And that's me when I was 16.
Oh my God,
I was
brother.
19.
These are a bunch of kids.
But I was 16.
Bro, this shit look like the church league.
I was 16 though. I was 16.
Where did the ball go? Oh, block.
I was 16 though. Thank you. Oh, LACY. What's up, bro? I got lunch money. You got lunch money?
No more chill.
You can have some lunch money.
I don't want to take your money, dude.
It's not even my money.
Hey, I snatched his lunch money.
I can go get it. I'll share it.
The choice is yours.
You shot me!
Do the pose.
What the f you mean, dude?
Flyer. Do the pose from the flyer.
You son of a
Do
bitch.
the pose. Do the pose right now. Hey, man, go ahead. Go hit him yet.
Hey, do this pose right
Do
here.
that pose.
Do this pose.
Right now. Do the pose.
How you?
Do the pose.
Pose.
We need a pose.
And we gonna run.
I'm gonna get shot either way.
No, you're not. Do the pose.
No.
You gotta say thank you.
I'll make sure you won't get shot. Do the pose.
Promise to God you won't
Say
shoot me.
thank you.
God.
Say
Promise
thank
to
you.
God you won't shoot me.
Promise to God. Promise to God.
Promise to God.
Promise I won't shoot you.
To God.
Nah, he don't. He
Okay,
don't.
put
He
it on
did
his
that.
life.
On his life, I won't shoot you. Yeah.
All right. Go.
Are you dead ass? You won't shoot me?
Yeah.
No, he won't. He won't. No. Thank you. Say thank you now.
Say thank you.
Thank you, David.
Aww. Stupid pussy. So sicky.
Silky, bro. They bullied me. They bullied me, bro. Davis, Gio, everybody.
Those are all the guys.
They shot me. Look. They shot me. Help me. Bro, I need to shoot them back. Help me. They made me do the 4 poses.
Not the.
They made me do the 4
Think
poses.
you grabbed your ankles.
I grabbed my ankles and said, thank you, Davis. Help me, bro. I'm supposed to be the school bully. Help me, bro.
I feel so bad for you, game. There's no coming back from that game. That's just an L you can't take. That's an L you're not supposed to take, bro.
He has a gun. Hey, lunch money. Hey, lunch money now.
You heard them.
You're so ugly. Oh my god.
It's okay.
Back up.
I don't blame
I
you.
said
It's too early.
lunch money
Or
now.
what? Or what, Jason?
Or this
what?
pool, this table's flipping over.
You're gonna flip the table. Flip the table. Yeah, flip the table.
I need
Flip
lunch.
the
I need a
table.
lunch money.
Flip the
I need a.
table.
Hey,
Flip the
lunch-
table then.
I need a
Flip the
lunch
table.
money now.
Flip the table.
I need a lunch
Flip
money
the
now.
table. Yo, you're so bullyable.
Stop trying to bully girls.
He's
bro.
so ugly, bro.
You
Like,
get
it's so
shot and
ugly.
bullied by everybody else. Don't try to pick on the women, bro.
So you want to put on your cape?
Yes.
But
Yes.
you don't want to put on your cape when it comes to
I
me.
will. I will.
Fuck you!
Come on, let's go. Who? Tell me who. Show me. Come on.
He left.
Look, he looking for his 6th meal. This nigga been in and out of this cafeteria.
Bro, am I just like the punching bag at SU? Like, I don't get it, bro. I'm like, genuinely.
Badass kid, son.
Wow.
Pull your pants up, bro.
Pull shut up, nigga.
You ain't?
Drop him.
Bro, you're not even running the drill, bro. You know what? I'm doing that shit on my own.
You change your outfit, you look like a dork. You. You. Look how you're dressed. You. I'm the bad boy, bro. I'm the bad boy. They want you to get the gun, Jay. Oh yeah, let me get that. And I'll do it.
I'm gonna be strapped. I got somebody on my head.
I gotta get strapped. I'm out here getting bullied. I need a gun. I need a gun. And then I'll do it.
No, what I'm saying, bro, Silky's been a big bully.
Yeah.
Like, has he been that to you too? Like, all jokes
Yes,
aside?
bro, besides today. Even today,
Bro,
look.
every time I see him, he's just aggressive. Like, you looking at him. So I'm like, bro, I'm looking at your ugly ass face. So I'm trying to get back today, bro. I'm getting eggs from outside. I'm getting my family.
You're going to eggs too.
His whole dorm. I'm going.
Oh,
I don't care, bro. What?
What even is his dorm?
I'm about to figure it out. Oh my God, look at that. That's the shit we moved in yesterday. Look at that, boys. Hey, somebody did a great job.
Wow.
Hey, are you willing to do content?
You just walked right past me.
I didn't see you.
Hey, Lacy's right there.
Oh my gosh, Wheels.
Oh, that's my boyfriend, y'all.
That's
my man.
Go say hi to your man.
Watch this. You not playing?
Let me see.
Lacey, who's your man? Who's your man?
You're my man.
That's what I'm talking about. And who's gonna take care of you?
You gonna take care of me?
You already know.
Hey, Jason.
Hey. You enjoyed the fights yesterday? I seen the clip of you watching. Come on, man. I wish I was there.
Okay, your ass is dumb fat.
Yeah, I already ate one.
No, bro.
Yo, I'll tell you, right? So, we went to see the dean. We made a deal. Kai is now the janitor. So, you remember where janitor room is? 212, second floor?
12, yeah.
I want everybody to just fuck up the hallways. So the deal is,
When?
did your name ready? Okay, so whenever he stops, streaming or something like that, just meet me at 212.
All right.
Fuck up the hallways as much as you can. The deal was, if he can clean the hallways or whatever, you're gonna expel me and Chris.
What about Lil Vet?
Huh?
What about Kilo?
Him too.
I bet.
If he can't clean it, we get to stay in the studios.
I bet. So you want me? I bet. Whenever you're done
For free.
stream,
You know what I'm saying? Whenever he's done stream, second floor, 212, in that hallway space, fuck that whole
fuck
floor.
everything up.
Everything up.
Everything up. I
You
bet.
got cereal boxes in your room? You got cereal boxes in your room? Use that shit and fuck up the hallway.
I bet. Got a task. Thank you, bro.
Appreciate you, bro.
After his stream, I'm fucking everything up.
Thank you, bro.
I got you. Yes, sir. Do it now? Hold on. I'm gonna do it now.
Yes, 200K. Make sure you guys.
Hey, Chris. Let's go everything up right now. Huh? Let's go up the whole floor right now.
Really?
Yes. Let's go.